If you already know the basics of Xero like invoicing and bank reconciliation, but you feel like you're only using about 30% of what it can actually do, then this video is definitely for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through some powerful intermediate Xero features that will save you time, improve your accuracy, and make your reports actually useful. This is perfect for business owners, bookkeepers, or even students who are looking to level up their accounting game. Let's start with one of the biggest time savers in Xero, bank rules. If you find yourself manually coding the exact same transactions every single week, things like rent, subscriptions, or software costs you are doing way too much work. Bank rules are designed to automate this process for you. You can set them up to automatically assign a contact, an account code, a tax rate, and even a description to recurring transactions. A little pro tip here is to use conditions like contains or starts with for much better accuracy. Once you've set these up properly, Xero can do the heavy lifting and code transactions for you in just a few seconds, freeing you up for more important tasks. Next up, we have tracking categories. These are an absolute game changer. You want to track your income or expenses by different segments of your business, like location, department, project, or sales channel, all without creating dozens of new accounts in your chart of accounts. For example, you could track performance by location, say London, Manchester, and your online store. Or you could track spending by department, like marketing, operations, and sales. Instead of just guessing where your profit is coming from, tracking categories allow you to see it clearly broken down right there in your reports. It adds a whole new layer of insight to your financial data. Now, if you have regular customers or fixed monthly costs, then repeating invoices and bills are an absolute must. Think about things like monthly retainers you charge clients, your office rent, software subscriptions, or even payments to contractors. You can set these up to generate automatically. You can choose to have them saved as a draft for you to review, or you can set them to auto-approve and send, which saves a massive amount of time and completely reduces the risk of you forgetting to send an invoice or pay a bill. A quick tip though, always make it a habit to review any auto-approved items at least once a month just to be safe. Alright, let's talk about reports, because this is where Xero really shines once you get past the basics. At an intermediate level, you should be customizing your reports to get the specific information you need. Don't just look at the standard profit and loss. Start by comparing periods, like this month versus last month, or this quarter versus the same quarter last year. Then filter your reports by those tracking categories we just set up. You can also adjust the layouts and group accounts together to create a report that makes sense for your business. And the best part? Once you've customized a report, you can save the layout so you don't have to redo it every single time you need it. Finally, if you're working with an accountant, a bookkeeper, or a team, then user permissions are critical for security and efficiency. Xero allows you to assign different roles to different users. For example, you can give your accountant an advisor role with full access, while a team member might just have an invoice-only role, meaning they can only create and send invoices. You can also set up read-only access for someone who just needs to view the numbers. This protects your sensitive financial data and ensures that people only see what they need to see to do their job. So to recap, at an intermediate level in Xero, you should be making use of bank rules for automation, tracking categories for deeper insights, repeating transactions to save time, custom reports for better analysis, and proper user permissions for security. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and save it for later so you can come back to it. And be sure to follow for more Xero and accounting tips. If you want an advanced Xero guide next, let me know by commenting Xero Advanced down below. Thanks for watching.